People sometimes say to me, what is illusion? Well, there are degrees of illusion. If you take it to the real point of it, everything physical is illusion. And basically everything physical gives birth to all our thoughts and emotions and actions and everything. That's really the depth of the illusion. But it's also an illusion if you believe that what you see is all there is. This is the reality. What we see is 1% of the reality that is, the greater reality. Now, if we were living from our metaphysical self, seeing through our metaphysical eyes, then we see a greater reality. And that allows you to see what is illusion. And so it's not something to fret over, but just be aware that illusion is basically the life we live, and there is something beyond that, and that beyond that is you.